Guys, we're doing grilled shrimp on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red button down there with the bell next to it so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. Today we are doing a nice, quick, easy recipe on my Ninja Foodi Grill. We are doing grilled shrimp, and we're using the skewers that come along with it, so it's gonna be nice, easy, simple cleanup, simple dish. You're gonna love it. All you're gonna need is some butter, and you're good to go. So let's get started on this bad boy. I want to show you that it's just as simple as a little bit of canola oil. As you can see here, we have our shrimp already washed, cleaned off. We're spraying it down with some canola oil because again, we need a high heat tolerance oil in there. And then I have some Bezel's Cajun seasoning. Then I have a little bit of the magic shrimp seasoning. All right, so I'll put those all in there, mix it all up, get it ready, get them on them skewers. These are pretty big shrimp. They're almost jumbo shrimp. They're 16, 20 count shrimp. So it only takes about 4 on each skewer, but we're gonna be able to put all 5 skewers on the Foodi Grill top, and it's just gonna be a couple minutes each side. We'll have perfectly good, tasty, tender, beautiful shrimp. All right, then I got some butter that we're gonna dunk it in, and we'll call it a day. All right, real simple, real easy, real fun. All right, so come on back, I'll bring you over here and we'll get this thing set up. All right guys, so we're almost done preheating this. We have it on medium grill control, so it's at 450 degrees. Got our skewers ready right now. This will only take about maybe 2 minutes aside. We're gonna put it in there, close it, 2 minutes, check them out, flip if we need to flip, and be ready to eat this bad boy. Shrimp should take no time at all. Okay, we're a couple minutes into this thing. Let's flip these bad boys. All right, so we got some solid little grill marks. I'm gonna go another couple minutes and these should be good to go. Okay, guys, we're all done. Come on, tell me that don't look beautiful right there. That's so nice. Look at that. Tender, juicy, delicious. Look at that. All right, we're gonna get these off the skewers. We're gonna plate it up, and we'll have a little talk about the taste test. All right, guys, we're done. We got it all plated up. We got it all pretty for the thumbnail that you clicked on to get to this. This is too easy. I don't think I can put it any other way. I mean, you preheat it, you cook it for a couple minutes each side, you're good to go. That simple. All right, so let's try one of these. I know they're gonna be tasty as can be. You know I'm gonna dip it in this butter right here. You know it'd be good as a little garlic butter in there. I should have put some garlic, but hey, let's give it a go. We got plenty of flavor. Telling you, that's good. Tender, tasty, completely done. 2 minutes aside, you're good to go. Man, that's good. Get another one. Get another bite. Man, oh, that's good. All right, guys, that's it for today. We're gonna have many more Ninja Foodi Grill videos coming your way soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell next to it. You get all the alerts on what we're doing, and you're gonna enjoy this. I'm telling you what, this is better than any indoor grill I've ever seen, ever had. All right, trust me when I say you're going to want this bad boy. And if you do want to buy it, make sure you hit my Amazon link below. You don't pay anything extra for it going through Amazon. It just helps a little bit to the channel. So make sure you do that for your boy. All right, guys, that's it for this week. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for cooking with CJ.